Hi friends, I hope you all are doing fine. So the Google has released the new update in the Play Console. Whichever apps you have been publishing, that you can able to publish in desktop PC app also, that you can able to play the games now in the PC also. As I will show you, this is the Play game beta version. So here also you can able to search and you can able to play. So as I will going to show you how see, as this is a Play Console, it will going to show like that. But if you want to see how your game will look in the PC, so see. So while I will going to see, I will going to copy this name, and I will just try to search it here, and you can see here the sections of the games. Okay, so here it shows the Windows and phones and tablets and TV, Chrome and watch. So here we want to display our game also here. So if you want to display, just I will going to show you one game I have been published in the mobile. So this game has been launched in the mobile also, and mobile and the PC also is been launched. So now we will going to launch this games also in our PC games also. You can able to they can able to install in the PC also, and they can able to play with that also. Okay, so let's go in the Play Console. So I will going to show you some details where you can able to change those things. So here will you going to show you go in the sections where you can able to edit the description and all those things. So I have advanced settings. I will go in the advanced settings. So see here from the form, that is games, Google Play games on the your PC, it's showing. So you update the screenshots is the optional, and add the Google Play console on the PC, it's optional. So for what we will going to do, we will going to update the first option, that is the screenshot. So as I already taken the screenshot, so here already it's been showing the screenshot, but you will going to ask, sir, why it's been showing again here also, we already been uploaded. Yes, you have been uploaded, but not in the PC. So still it shows here. So here you can see there is a one more new section they have been added, that Google Play games on your PC. So here, as I already been selected all my images for the PC, the screenshots and everything have been added here. So what I will do, I will going to add here logo of here. So I will just click it here. So here you can see there is a PC one. I will going to upload the logo, and so logo has been uploaded, and the screenshot you have to add it here. So these are the screenshots. That is, I think, okay, one after one you have to upload here. So I will just upload. So it is a graphic image. So the graphic image and screenshot are both are the same. So if you require the sizes of this, so let me know. I will going to replace the image with some other images here. Okay, so the same sizes, even screenshots also you can able to take the same images. If you need the sizes, let me know if you are getting confused. So this is the as per rates of the screen resolution you can able to replace, and while the time I will going to upload the screenshots also here. You can upload from 4 to 8 images, at least 8 images you can able to upload here. And it's asking Chromebook images also. If I think it's going to take, I will going to upload here. I think it will going to take. If it is not, we can leave it off, because it's not been a such mandatory thing. And here also tab also sizes, I will going to add these images, because last time I have been forgot it. So here I will going to upload it, and it has been taken. So here the PC section, the logo and the graphic images and the screenshots of the app. So this is the app ratios of here. You can able to read, and you can able to create the low images in that. If you have any problem, let us know. We will going to tell you how to you can able to do it. So after that, just save it here, and go for overview. As you can see, that I have been changed the images here, has been given the 10 inches tablet and the games on PC, and all those things are there. So after that, let's we will going to see and the all those things, app setups. So what more things has been left, we will going to see. Okay, add the games on PC. It's optional, so it's been changed already. So we will going to do one thing: publish an overview. So what are the changes we had in? We will going to send for a changes. So change, send for the changes. So it will going to be take some time. After that, it will going to be live. So as we have sent it to you, it's just refresh it again. So it's been in review. So while it's in review, I will try to open that PC mode things. So let we will going to see here. So I think my PC has some problems. So maybe it's below open. So I can able to show you. So here is a Google Play game beta. If you need how you can able to install and you can able to use, I will show in the video if you people really require that things. So let me know. So here, so you can able to play the game. So I already used the Free Fire game. So I can able to play the Free Fire games also here. So but you want to see your game whether it's there or not in the Play Store. So what we will going to do, we will going to search it here. Just we will going to search. So as you can see here is a my app. It's showing here in the Play Store of the PC. So here I can able to install and I can able to pay it. So if you people really like my video, please like and subscribe. If you need how you can able to install the Google Play game beta in your PC and you can able to play Free Fire, PUBG, any type of a games, let me know. So we're going to help you out and we will make the one more video for you. Please like and subscribe to our channel. If you need any kind of services, app publishing, 20 testers, or apart from that Google Play consoles or any like agency accounts, let us know. We will going to help you out. Thank you so much.